Today is a first for me. I'm going to get some hair extensions, some clip-in hair extensions, so they're not permanent, and I'm going to take my hair from this to this. Okay, I was having a bit of fun there, and I knew that I could safely leave a spot in this video to pop in that after shot, and I knew that my hair was going to look amazing because I went to a very cool friend's salon here in Auckland. Her salon is called Loxie's, and everyone who is anyone goes to Loxie's to get their hair extensions. So I am super chuffed to be heading there today, and I just want to take you guys along with me. This is the first time that I have had hair extensions of any kind whatsoever. I'm really excited, but I have no idea how to actually put the clip-on extensions into my hair so I can recreate the look at home. So I'm going to find out exactly how you do it like a pro, and so I can then share those tips and tricks with you. So if you'd like to see a beginner's guide to using clip-on hair extensions, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like now, and as you can see, it's just a very blunt, straight, mid-length cut. But all of that is about to change. It's always best to start from the bottom up, so make sure your first section is quite low. And as you can see here, the section doesn't have to be straight. In fact, you'll get more of a natural result if your sectioning isn't straight. Now, if your hair is freshly washed like mine was, you will need to add a little bit of texture to give the extensions something to grip onto. So Kelsey here at Loxie's is just back combing my hair and then adding a little bit of spray just to, as I said, give a little bit of texture. And this is what the extensions look like. There are 3 pieces in the Loxie packs, which is super easy because there aren't too many pieces to actually clip in. And as you can see here, the clips are super easy to use. And those little teeth are just inserted into the first section that has been back combed and sprayed. And then you just clip them together, which is really easy. And because that hair has been prepped first, they actually sit really firmly in your hair. And then it's just time for the next section, which is just, as you can see here, a couple of centimeters above my ear. And again, it's not a super straight section, but of course, because my hair is slippery and clean, it does need to be back combed and sprayed to give those extensions something to grip into. As you can see, my hair is quite light on the ends, and I had 2 options here. I could go for these slightly darker extensions that actually match the roots of my hair, or I could go for lighter extensions. I chose the darker extensions, and I will just get my natural hair blended in to the extensions, and you'll see how that happens in just a minute. And this was quite a defining moment because it was the first time in years I have felt my hair this long. It was pretty exciting, I've got to say. So it was really obvious at this point that I actually needed a toner in my hair to perfectly blend my natural hair with the extensions, which is what we did. So before Kelsey could start trimming my hair and blending it into the extensions, she blow dried my hair and the extensions and just created a very sleek look so that she could start the blending process. So now it's time for blending and trimming up those ends so my natural hair matches the extensions perfectly. that's it. I'm so excited about the final result, and I'm kind of amazed at how you can so quickly transform your hair from a mid-length style to long, luscious locks, and they look so natural, far more natural than I imagined. I'm really excited about being able to clip my extensions in and create some new looks. If you enjoyed this video, I would love you to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.